know, he's going to end up being angry at the doctor.
Why'd you hurt my son?
Exactly, yeah.
이거 해. 두 시간마다 한 번씩 일어나서 우유 수유하고 기저귀 체크해야 돼요. 트림도 해야 되고. 테디베어도 있고. 사장님, 너 왜 이렇게 잘 자냐? 인상병. 또 2시간 뒤에 보자. 네, 안녕하십니까. 좋은 아침입니다. 잠을 못 잤어요. 이게 하늘이가 2시간마다 이제 깨요. 그러면 이제 분유를 주고 그 다음에 뭐 기저귀도 갈아주고 뭐 이렇게 해야 되더라고요. 그래서 이 부모로서의 삶에 적응은 하고 있는데 새벽에 잠을 못 자서 너무 힘들어요. 근데 뭔가 재밌기도 해요. 왜냐면 이게 뭔가 오락하는 느낌? 그 단계를 깨나가는 느낌이라 되게 재밌습니다. 그래서 오늘은 저 혼자 그 하늘이 출생신고하러 왔어요. 드디어 하늘이 출생신고를 합니다. 그래서 말이랑 저랑 그 혼인증명서, 그리고 뭐 가족관계 증명서, 그리고 말이 거, 제 거, 그 신분증 이렇게 가지고 오면 된다고 하더라고요. 이제 하늘이 혼인신고하고, 혼인신고가 아니라 출생신고하고, 장모님이랑 마리는 집에서 이제 노아 이렇게 돌봐주고 계시고, 가서 잘하고 다시 집으로 복귀하겠습니다. 내일은 또 하늘이 병원 가서 주사 맞는 날이라 하나씩 이게 아기가 태어나고도 해야 되고 이렇게 처리해야 되는 일들이 되게 생각보다 많더라고요. 그래서 가보겠습니다. 서류 들고 왔습니다. 네, 출생신고 잘 마무리했고요. 무슨 선물도 주셨어요. 뭐 책이랑 뭐 선물 같은데, 아기용품 같은데 감사하네요. 집에 가서 마리한테 전달하도록 하겠습니다. 아니, 스네이크 그거 아니야?
Oh yeah, he is a snake, yes.
스네이크, your friends.
No, but that's for when he's on his tummy time. Pamela, Daddy's trying to play with you.
We need a fruit.
Tummy, all wrapped in fuzzies. We need a poo. Look at your blue eyes. Hi. He likes the swing.
Nice. octopus 안녕.
We'll put it on your stroller.
octopus 안녕. stroller.
Ego, this is the clip for the stroller.
octopus 안녕. 신기해.
응.
역시 베이비는 토이를 좋아하는 거. 장난감 많지? Mommy bought for you first your present.
I know, your first ball is the first toy I buy you.
언니 사파 플레이 할 거지?
What's he gonna do with all these toys? Mommy's surrounded. Surrounded.
It's kind of like his first birthday when he has to choose
Yeah.
his career.
Oh yeah, the was it
돌잔치.
돌잔치.
이것도 있네. 하늘이 이거 좋아하겠네.
It's for eating. When he has teeth.
워시 해야겠네.
Yes. later when he has teeth. That's also from Marine.
이건 뭐지? 카메라, 이건 뭐지? 이거 해.
Mommy's making dinner. Oh, thank you. Hi. I don't like touching raw meat stuff. I understand.
장모님이 마리를 위해서 미국 음식을 해주시기로 하셨어요.
Where's salt and pepper?
Why don't you take things out of the cabinet before you
Because I was going to use that.
salt, pepper?
Mom is cooking for you.
Man,
What is it?
she's making stuffed peppers. I made them before for you, but I always cut them in half. So they're little cups.
You don't cut them in half.
아, 그리고 이거는
You don't use the garlic.
장모님이 좋아하시는 한국 과자. 육아도 좋아합니다, 엄청.
Where's the rice?
그래놀라는 이거 딱 마리가 좋아하는 거예요. 그래놀라도 되게 종류가 많은데 마리가 가장 좋아하는 거.
I thought I'm used to cooking rice. Yeah, well, upside down, Maja. You okay?
어허이.
Even, Maja.
아. 한국은 맛소금이지. 어허이.
The new salt bag.
오늘 드디어 출생신고를 했다.
I did research about how to register your child in Korea. And all of the foreign moms said, make sure that your names match because they all had problems with names not matching, right? Because in Korea, they write names last, first. Or if you're Western, last, first, middle, right? And then in Western countries, it's first, middle, last. And some countries, you have really long names, right? So they said, make sure everything matches. So when we were at the hospital, I made sure that Himon had all the names match correctly my passport for Hanul's birth certificate so that there would be no problems when we registered him at the embassy. I didn't think about his Korean birth certificate, my name being written in Korean because it made sense. Yes, okay, it's his Korean birth certificate. My name's written in Korean. So I mean, I saw it, but I thought it was weird, but I didn't think it would cause any problems because I have my Yokwon, I have my ARC card. He has his American birth certificate that has my name on it. The two birth certificates are identical. It's just the names weren't the same. So, I mean, it was kind of stupid of me at the moment not to make sure they matched, but Himon went back and had to get it fixed for me. So I felt bad that Himon went to the Juman Center, had to go back to the Pyeongwon, and then go back to the Juman Center and make sure everything was correct. And I'm texting him the whole time, make sure this is correct, make sure this is correct, make sure this is correct. Because if we have to go back to the Pyeongwon again, they're going to hate us. But I think it all worked out perfectly. But I will say, if you are a 국제커플 in Korea and you have a baby, make sure mom and dad's names match exactly, not your foreign yokwon, but your ARC card. That is what they want in Korea. Your yokwon should match the English or Italian or whatever birth certificate that you have, because that is what you need to register in your home country. So make sure that they match each other, but not each other, if you know what I mean, right? Anyways, thank you, Himon, for doing that today. That was a little stressful.
Iman, you have soda?
Mommy says she'll eat the whole bowl by herself. If we eat this slowly, we can't have any of this. Let's try Mommy's
Well,
Stuffed peppers.
yeah, my generic stuffed peppers.
But it's good. Like, it tastes like stuffed peppers. But it's not as, like, heavy with the seasoning as I normally do it.
Right.
I did miss Mommy's food. I really wanted her to make her chicken wings, like that she normally makes in the crock pot. And I really wanted her to make, if possible, beef stroganoff. And I really wanted to try and make lasagna soup one day with Mom. We've never made that before, but I really want to try it. And what else did I want to do? Oh, unbaked shepherd's pie. So you make it all in a pot and it's just in a bowl.
Yeah,
I wanted to do that. I wanted to make that too.
that's easy to do.
Mm.
Is it okay?
Mm. And then Mommy also made, with the tops of the peppers, she put cheese inside.
음.
Okay.
Yep. Meow meow.
나 음식
Mommy has
없어.
food. Here. Smell.
싫어.
싫어. If Sally likes the food, she'll go nom.
맞아.
She didn't do that.
내일은 이제 하늘이 병원 가야 돼.
Yes, we have to go to the hospital tomorrow. He's gonna get his first vaccine, and I'm sure I'm going to cry because he's going to cry, but I feel like Koman is really going to cry because he does not let Hanel cry for anything. If he's hungry, if he's got a wet diaper, if he's got a poopy diaper, if he just wants to be held, Hanel cries, and Heman runs straight over. So tomorrow when he gets his shot, that one's gonna be beside himself.
No, he's gonna end up being angry at the doctor.
Why'd you hurt my son?
Exactly, yeah.
Yeah.
Iman is definitely going to be on the defensive. Oh my goodness. Was it yummy? Yes, meow meow.